Let's make the Kraken's bloody limb. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a cocktail from the Kraken Rum called the Bloody Limb. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. I may not be a professional bartender, but I've been making drinks at home for a long time. And I'm getting to the point that some people actually like them, like my wife, or my family, or my friends, or everyone else who's tried it. And I think you can make good drinks too. And I think the Bloody Limb is a good one to make, especially if it's around Halloween time. Note that I'm not sponsored by the Kraken Rum. I just like drinking the Kraken. And I have a friend who's a little bit intimidated by the Kraken Rum, so I decided to make every one of the Kraken Rum's proprietary cocktails, and the Bloody Limb is one of those. Note that if you're going to make the Kraken's Bloody Limb, then you really have to use the Kraken's black spiced rum. If you use another rum, then you're not making their Bloody Limb. You may be making a great cocktail, but again, it's not their Bloody Limb. We are going to make this drink in the glass, and it's a Collins glass. We're going to start with the Kraken Black Spiced Rum, 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. And because of these little loops in the bottle, I still don't know where to put my hands, or my fingers really. Next, 1/2 ounce or 15 milliliters of sweet vermouth. 1/2 ounce of cherry liqueur, and the recipe does specify Heering. If you can't find Heering, try another one, and if it turns out, let me know. 1/2 ounce, 15 milliliters. 1/4 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters. Lime juice, lemon juice, lemon juice. Make sure I said lemon juice. Now using one of my handy hands, I'm going to give this a quick stir. I'm going to add some ice. And I'm going to top it off with blood orange soda. Finally, the garnish. And the garnish is a blood orange wheel. And I get big citrus. What can I say? I'm not bragging, I'm just saying. So I'm going to put that in the glass. And this one cracked a little bit. So it's going to go all the way down. I'm going to put it in the glass. See if that works. Yeah, that'll do. Add a straw. And there you have it. The Bloody Limb from the Kraken Rum. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, what is your favorite drink that you make with the Kraken Rum? Let me know in the comments down below, I'd love to try it. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I do have social media links down below. Feel free to follow me on any of those. If you've made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe for doing the Kraken Rum. And also, I have t-shirts. If you want a t-shirt, let me know and we'll make sure you get one. Cheers.